Starting in 2020, I'm doing one short recipe a week called Small Bites, starting with dark chocolate. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding in our milk into our small pot, and we're going to turn that on medium-low heat. Make sure to stir this every once in a while. We're going to prep our dark chocolate here, which will help lower your blood pressure. It's a good antioxidant, and it's good for your heart and brain. After a couple minutes, you're just going to add in your dark chocolate just a little bit at a time. Once it's all dissolved, kill the heat, and let's give it a taste. Now it's a little too bitter for me, so I'm just going to sweeten it up with a little bit of brown sugar. Once finished, you can transfer it to your mug of choice. I like this Kitchen Life mug for self-promotional reasons. Just finish it off with some marshmallows, and you're done. Thanks for watching this first episode of Small Bites. Until next time, I'm Jared Lendy. To 2020.